Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss lesson number 2, physical features of India. Physical features of India. You might have wondered about uh, the different types of landforms. Some areas are mountains, some areas are plain, and some of them are coastal areas, uh, then plateaus, etc. So, have you ever uh, thought about how these landforms have been originated? What was the actual reason for the formation of these different types of landforms? Okay, here the earth scientists have attempted to explain the reason behind the formation of different types of the landforms. There are many theories. Here, theory of plate tectonic is very important to explain. According to the theory, the crust, what is the crust? The crust is the upper part of the earth, which has been formed out of 7 major and some minor plates. I told you, the earth scientists have tried to explain the formation of different types of landforms. The theory of plate tectonics is one of the important theory which says about the formation of different landforms. According to this theory or the plate tectonics, the crust or the upper part of the earth has been formed out of 7 major plates and some minor plates. Okay, here the movements of these plates, generally we can divide the crust or the upper part of the earth into small pieces of plates. These plates is movable, or the movement of these plates is the basic reason for the formation of different types of landforms. And also this movement of the plates is the actual reason for the volcanic activities, the land or earth movements, earthquakes, the foldings and faultings of the earth. Here we have to explain some of the types of the movements of these plates. Okay, I told you there are major, the earth crust has been divided into major 7 plates and some minor. Here we have to discuss about the 3 types of important movements. They are convergent movement, divergent movement and transform movement. What is the convergent movement? Convergent movement means 2 plates comes together. 2 plates come towards each other. That type of movements are called convergent movements. Let me tell you. Look at this. These are 2 books. Suppose this is a plate and this is another plate. Here, look at here. 2 plates come towards each other. Okay, here 2 plates coming close towards each other, and the boundary or area in between this is called convergent boundary. The movement of 2 plates towards each other is called a convergent movement, and the boundary in between 2 plates is called convergent boundary. Okay,